Oh, I got that on camera! Yes! So the story was, here was having a good time, you know, just what Swiss tourists do. And then this weird Brazilian American guy shows up, just ruining everyone's day. No, God.
Eaten alive by fishes.
Yeah, there are a lot of fishes in here that eat you alive, so that is one thing. But other than that, it's beautiful.
Hoy in village at Semuc Champey.
Pinta.
Wow.
Hola, muy buenos días. Bienvenidos al Monumento Natural Semuc Champey. Aquí estamos reunidos con mi familia. Nosotros aquí en Semuc Champey hacemos lo que es el tour de chocolate o de cacao, mejor dicho. Sean ustedes bienvenidos aquí en Semuc Champey, y si ustedes quieren conocer cómo hacer chocolate o cómo es la plantación del cacao, pueden venir con nosotros. Estamos cerca de la entrada de Semuc Champey, unos 100 metros de la entrada.
So we just learned something very interesting. There's a Mayan custom here. They pull the sap out of one of the trees and they use it for burning things. It's flammable. But then also the healers in the community, they'll use it to heal people as part of their custom. They'll rub it on you with charcoal, basically to call the spirits to help heal you. So our chocolate tour just turned into a Mayan tradition tour. And that's the beauty of traveling around Guatemala. So our chocolate tour that turned into a Mayan tradition tour has now turned into a survival tour, what to eat in the wild. And this is onco. It's a tuber that grows here. And they put it in a vegetarian tamale that's really popular among the locals. So if you like that kind of food, you can get that here. So now I can survive in the Guatemalan jungle. I know what to eat. I know chocolate. I know the flammable jelly, sap from the tree. I'm good. But please don't let me get lost. Send help. Send help. So in addition to having delicious homemade chocolate, we're getting homemade hot chocolate. So with hot water, chocolate, and a little bit of black pepper. As they would say here, palasa de cacao ha. Obviously I'm fluent in the local Mayan language. Palasa.
It was really nice. You could see all how they do it. Really, the fruits, how they pick them, how they do the chocolate. So it was really interesting to see it.
And it was really cute. It was a local family. They showed us around. They had a lot of fun being with us, I think. Good chocolate. What more do you want in life?
A bit of drama, mishap. We have a broken bag. Oh no. And then look at me and smile like, hey, so many points of pools. I love it. So, after all of that hard work, these are the fruits of our labors. Beautiful pools. Got my buddies in the back who are eating the chocolate that we got earlier. All right. So this is the Mirador from Semuc Champey. We have arrived at the world famous Semuc Champey pools. Beautiful turquoise clear pools. Refreshing after a hot hike up to the top of the Mirador with slippery mud. Getting down here to jump in with my Swiss friends here. So let's do this. And sometimes you're out here swimming and it starts raining. So yeah, it's a bit chilly, but still fun, still magical. Most people come here and visit the pools, and that's all well and great. You do the slide, but make sure you don't forget to walk up the path and check out where the river goes under the pools. Very beautiful, very fast, intense water. It goes all the way under the pools and then meets back where the water slide's at. Worth checking out.
This is a rare shot of Timothy in the wild, showing his holidays, floating in water, not doing much, just being alone and happy.